Hi. Are you trying to delete a file or a folder on your Windows computer? But you cannot do it because you encounter this error? The error says, the action can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. Let's see how to solve this. Go to Search. And type Run. Click it. Here, type resmon.exe. And hit OK. Such a resource monitor window will open. Click the CPU option. Now in this search box, type the name of the folder or the file that you want to delete. I will type the name of my folder. As I type the folder name, I can see the folder listed here. Right-click it. And click the End Process button. Now close this window. And try to delete the folder again. And there you go. Problem solved. Thanks for watching.